All right, we back in the garage. You already know with the orange box. So what I'm doing today is I want to get the tail, the hitch. I want to get a remix. So basically, I gotta drop it down. I gotta take it to the paint man, the powder coat man, and get it done. So that's what we gonna be doing right now. So I kind of already pre-gamed it as always, people. So I'm gonna get underneath here and try to get the rest of these bolts out real quick. Because this was actually not made for this vehicle. And the whole concept of me having a trail hitch is because I got a truck motor, basically inside. So I'm gonna start this off again and try to get this this hitch out. And as I said, I pre-gamed it a little bit already, people. So that's what this is right here. And we gonna get this out. We gonna take a look at it. I got a hitch lock that's basically seized in there, so I gotta actually cut it out. So let me try to get this worked out to get this out. And y'all already know, man, we trying to get this joint ready for the summertime. And this is what I got. So this is one of the bolts. It looked like this machine did a washer fall. I know this fell. I thought the washer would have fell. So I gotta get another washer for that one, people. So this side is basically almost done. Let's get the rest of these screws out of here. And this one side is going to be good to go. One. It's 2 nuts. So I think this side is one day kind of strong. That's crazy. I may gotta get like a little crowbar or something. Let's do the other side. I don't think nothing else is really holding it. Let me get this big socket here. Oh man, I got this to take out. You see that wrench? Let me get that wrench. Forgot I gotta take something else out, people. Wish I had a lift. If I had a lift, man, basically be done already. So yeah, I'm excited to do this, man. I'll tell y'all what color I'm doing, but I always had this concept when I was doing this build that I put a truck motor, I'm gonna put a hitch on it, which I never used to hitch for nothing, but you know, it's just a whole concept and idea of my vision. All right, so now I have to take these out. Let's see how I'm gonna get this out here. And hopefully we'll be good to drop. Alright, so we got that out. So we should be good to drop now. Let's see. I feel it. Am I missing something? That's out, that's out.
Pull it down?
Wait, got it? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna come out. You can rest it down first. And then we just put back on these screws real quick. So I don't want to lose them. And yeah, people, got the hitch out. So right here is basically, I bought this a few years ago for the box Chevy, and now it's time to remix it. It's pretty heavy. It did a lot of work. It ain't do nothing. It ain't pull nothing, but it did a lot of work. So basically, this is what we're gonna be remixing. I don't know if y'all see my vision of, I'm the only person which I know have a box Chevy with a trail hitch. I don't think I ever seen nobody else with a trail hitch. So I'm gonna do something very special to this trail hitch to make it recognized. You know what I mean? Give it some flavor. You know what I mean? So let me, as I'm here, people, let me make sure I put back my hardware. That's important because of the fact that I don't want to lose these nuts and bolts. Because if I lose them, then I'm going to have a hard time getting everything back together. And basically, I got to clean up underneath the frame also. If y'all looked at previous videos, I got some frame paint. And I have to really, I may get underneath here tonight, tomorrow, I don't know. Look on the car right there and give me them screws, please. Right there, yeah. I'm just gonna put back the hardware, and I gotta cut this right here. So I gotta cut this. Thank you. I gotta cut this lock off, which I did it in 24K gold. So I'm actually gonna get another one. Should I do it back 24K gold, or I should do another color? I don't know. I think I'm gonna hit it back with the 24K gold. We're gonna do that. And as I said, I just wanna get back this
the screwdriver?
I think I could just catch it by hand for a little bit. This one I need to catch it. Cause it's not like I'm not driving the car going nowhere anyway, so I'm just gonna that's crazy how this thing like got screwed in. Yeah, people, so as I was saying that I just gotta get back underneath here and do some painting on the frame. Some cleanup, because I mean, as I said, I always say this in videos when somebody do work for you, it's like, you know, it just don't be to like my standard of what I want to do, basically. So just getting this back together. We're gonna take another look, and then we're gonna look at something else. I gotta get into this truck. I said truck, car, basically. Before I get garage traffic, maybe gotta get another screw for this. Cut the screw fill a little bit off. Tight. Alright folks, I think this is pretty much good here. So as I said, take a look at this. Let's race to this. Y'all know nothing about this. So yeah, this is getting remixed, people. This is getting remixed ASAP Rocky for the summertime, which is coming for the car shows. You know what I mean? I could pull your car. You need me to pull your car? If your car break down, or my car break down, I could pull myself. How you like that? All right, but other than that, let's get back into the box Chevy. And also, let me just show y'all what I got going on also here with the charger real quick. You know what I mean? I know the charger look a little bit weird, but I'm getting the rims remixed. So basically I got it like, you know, on the stand right now. And this is rubber. Basically, I still smell that rubber, right? Crazy. Yeah. I still smell that shit, right? Yeah, so basically, I'm trying to get this together also. Can't forget about the scat pack. So we remixing the rims. And I think that's all I'm doing to the scat pack right now. Just the rims. Get a better look. You can't really see the rim, but the rim is basically a if you go around to the front, the rim is basically like a when I got it was like a matte black. So just remixing that. Let's go over here and take a look. The rim real quick. So you see it's like a matte black. So we're just gonna clean it up, you know what I mean, for 2025, and some new tires on the way also. So I'm just doing that. So basically, just getting the box Chevy together as y'all can see, you know what I mean. I got some new tires also for the front. You know what I mean, I'm gonna show y'all, because this is kind of like, I beat this up. So if you look at it, this tire right here, basically, tire is kind of like, it did some work. It still got a little whatever, but it did some work. But it's time to change because I'm getting kind of like a little like shaky ride with it. So I will be swapping that out. Got some new tires. You know what I mean? Wish I could burn it out, but hey, you know what I mean? Compared to the back. All right, so listen, I'm gonna conclude this video. I just wanted to show y'all, you know what I mean, what I got going on right now at this moment. Trail Hitch coming out. I'm about to chop this up right here, get this out, get a new one, put it back 24K gold, and when I get this done, I'm gonna reveal the color to y'all, and y'all gonna see what we got going on for 2025. All right, if you're new to my channel, like Myke LS, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Catch you on the next one.